Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can find the serial number on iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on Settings. In Settings, we want to go down and tap on General. Next, tap on About. Then in here, we will be able to find the serial number. And that's it. So the serial number is quite useful when you need to bring your phone in for repair. Sometimes they might ask for your serial number, or when you are trying to get a warranty cover for your device, sometimes they will ask you for a serial number on any number of your mobile phone. So if they do, you can always give them that information by going into your Settings, General, and About. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.